Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel, and if you're new in this space, you are also very much welcome. Please stay tuned, turn on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I get to post a video, and most importantly, subscribe to my channel. Thank you. So in today's video, we're going to be learning how to make this delicious weight gain smoothies. Yes, one thing about this smoothies is that it can make you gain weight. At the same time, it can make you lose weight. So which do you want to go for? Do you want to gain weight in the right places, or you want to lose weight? So whichever you want, please stick to it. So if you want to gain weight, I advise that you take this in between your meals. Yes, that is, if you want to gain weight and you want to see results, it is best taking in between meals. And if you want to lose weight, it is taking alone, and you have to plan your meal, not just that you take it and you start eating anyhow. No, if you want to lose weight, you have to plan your meal. You take it first and plan how you eat. You understand? So this recipe is made for the purpose of gaining weight. So I made use of banana, peanut butter. The peanut butter I used was nutty peanut butter, the crunchy one. You can make use of the smooth one, and you can also make use of any peanut butter that you like or you prefer, but I prefer nutty peanut butter. So, and I also made use of soy milk. This is the soy milk that is already in a bottle. You can make your soy milk yourself, and you can just buy from the markets and make use of the one. I prefer this Vita milk shot. This particular one is very nice. So, and I also make use of evaporated milk. Yeah, make use of your full cream milk. That is if you want to gain weight. Do not make use of all this skimmed milk, that would not make you gain weight. If you want to gain weight, make use of the full cream milk. If you want to lose weight, you can make use of the other types of milk that will not make you gain weight. So I'm just going to blend until it is very smooth. You can also add in your ice to it so that it's going to be served chilled. You know what I mean? So I blended this smooth, and I had this with my meal. If you are gaining weight and you're taking this, take it and work out. There's nothing that comes easy. Yeah, take it and work out. Like, what I mean by workout, when you want to gain weight in your, let's say, your bum area now, you do exercises that make you, that make the bum area, bigger, like make the muscle there, expand, which makes it look bigger. And you take this between your meals, it will make you gain weight in the right places. If you want to lose weight, like I said, you have to change, the ingredients a little bit, like the milk you use. You need to change the kind of milk that you use, and that's all. And plan your meal, you lose weight. So for this, it was just to gain weight, and I had this in between my meals, and it was so delicious. It was so yummy. And I enjoyed it. Like, I enjoyed it a whole lot. So guys, if you enjoy watching this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I get to post a video. So I just garnished mine with a little bit of the banana, and I made use of this beautiful straw, and I added a little extra milk, just because I'm an extra babe. So I had this with my breakfast, and this also I had had mine with. So you can have it with any meal of your choice. You can take it any time of the day. You can take it for breakfast, lunch, dinner, whichever one you want to take it. You can feel free to do whatever you want. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Thanks so much for the likes and the comments. I see everything. Thank you so much. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, comment, ask any questions you want to ask, and I'm going to be here waiting for you. Thank you guys. Bye. So if you haven't watched my tiger nut video and you want to know how to make the best creamy tiger nuts ever, this is the time for you to click on that video now and watch and thank me later. This is also my fresh fruit juice. You can also make fruit juice yourself at home. Click on the video and you're going to be wowed. So thank you guys. Bye.
Exactly where we want to find the way to us before. Yeah. And these two hearts with a beat as one. With God by our side. Okay, see? Nothing for this one.